Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you the ultimate step-by-step guide to linking any smartwatch with an iPhone using the Fitpro app. This method works for almost all models because the systems are very similar. My first piece of advice: if you already have the app installed, delete it and download it again so we can set everything up from scratch. Let's get started. 1. Download. First, search for Fitpro in the App Store and install it. It only takes a few seconds. Permissions: when you open the app, it is vital to accept access to Bluetooth and location. Regarding activity tracking or health data, you can choose based on your preference. I usually skip them, as you can see in the video. If it asks you to register, you can skip that step or omit it to go straight to the app's main menu. Identification and pairing. Now, verify your watch's technical name. Go to your watch's settings menu and look for About or Information. Once you have that code, you'll know your smartwatch's unique ID. Then, go back to the app, look for the Set or Bind Device option, and select your watch. If for some reason your watch doesn't appear in the list, try a factory reset on the watch itself. If the problem persists, check your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. If the watch appears there, select Forget this device and try searching again from within the app. Make sure to tap Pair and allow for notifications when the pop-up alerts appear. Finally, go to the Message Push or Notification section in the app and toggle on the alerts you want to receive on your smartwatch. That's it, your smartwatch is now synced. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.